Welcome to another edition of the Wandering Aces, Billy and Brenda. I didn't really think about doing a whole lot of product reviews. I know they do that on some channels, but after thinking about it a little bit, I thought, hey, why not? If something might work great on the road for us, hey, why not share it with everyone? I found something on Amazon. Brenda and I love charcoal food, and we're in a Class B. There's just not a lot of space to carry a big bulky charcoal grill or a gas grill or anything like that. So I got to wandering around on Amazon and I come across this. This is a charcoal grill, believe it or not. Packs up flat in this little bag right here. I'll show you. It's in pieces, and it looks kind of scary whenever you first open it up. You're like, wow, this thing's going to be hard to put together. But actually it's not. Here's all the pieces, and it goes together really quickly. There's the base. Here's the outside walls, and it has air holes in the bottom, so air can get to your charcoal. Bottom piece, fire grate. Put your charcoals on top, and the air holes underneath here will allow the air to get underneath the charcoal. And then of course you have the cooking grate. There you go. Put your charcoal in, cook your steaks, hamburgers, chicken, hot dogs, whatever you like to eat, if you like that charcoal flavor, which we do. And we think this might be a good alternative to have on the road. This thing packs flat, and we have some stuff stored in there. We had to look for it a little bit to find it, so that's a good thing, right? But also you can use it for a fire pit. You get through cooking your steaks, fire log. Sometimes you can find these fire logs really cheap. But you don't have to use fire logs. You can use wood in the campground or wherever you might be to be able to have access to wood. You got your charcoals in here, you're through cooking. You got charcoals already in there hot and ready to go. Fire log, fire pit. Something to think about. I thought it was pretty neat. I'll shoot a video later on, let you know what I think about the final results of it, if it's going to work out, what the cleanup is. But right now at this point, it looks pretty good. Maybe it's something you guys can use on the road. You just clean it up, you dump, and you can also take the ashes out and just dump it in a fire pit and start you a fire outside, campfire. Or you can use this if you don't have a fire pit, so it's pretty neat. Just dump it out or let it cool down, dump the ashes, hold everything back up. It doesn't look like it's going to be very hard to clean up. And you're ready to go. Let me know what you guys think about that. I'll put a description down below in the comments where to pick this thing up. It may be something you want to put in your camping arsenal. You guys have a great day, and as always, we'll check you later.